Today, I'll be upgrading and assembling an automatic force balancing controller with an on-off switch for a homemade spot welding machine using a small 12V6AH battery. The machine can weld 0.0 km zinc, is compact, and very easy to use. Watch until the end of the video to see if it works. Welcome to the Tip for You DIY YouTube channel. My channel specializes in creative DIY video projects that you can do at home. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, my channel will cater to your interests. I look forward to your support and feedback on your creative ideas so we can create new, better, and more practical videos. Thank you for visiting.